Hi, I'm Osama Saifan. I'm the operations manager in the highway department in Combined Group and the team leader for the BIM software development.
I am senior software engineer in Combined Group.
Hello, my name is Hussam Aboud. I'm civil engineer in Combined Group.
Hello, I'm Tarek Bider, a mechanical engineer at Combined Group Company.
Hello, and welcome to the BIM overview presentation. First, the definition of BIM, it's building information modeling, or sometimes it's referred to building information management. Basically, it is the networking or the interfacing between the graphics. Normally, it's a 3D model of the assets, building, or a project, with the database, with information or regarding the assets or the components of the project or the building. So the BIM system, it's used by individuals, businesses, or government or agencies to manage the life cycle of the project or the building through the planning, construction, maintenance, and later on recycling or demolition. So through the whole life cycle of the structure. And it's becoming a trend with the agencies and governments. Our team have started with the PM Web, which is our electronic documentation system that's currently used for our projects, which has a built-in map view of the projects, basically an icon representing our projects. And we have challenged the team to expand this interface into a full-blown 3D web-based interface. Our team were challenged with the task of modeling in 3D the three current projects that we have, they're highway projects, and they started by importing AutoCAD 2D drawings into SketchUp, where they have utilized its tools to build a full-blown 3D model. Once the 3D modeling were completed, it was exported to be read by the web-based 3D viewer, and we have developed some graphical icons that we associated or linked to the various elements of the project. So once those pins are clicked, an information bar comes up with the detail from the database that basically shows the financial and the schedule health of that particular element. Engineer Huda was responsible for the 3D modeling of one of the projects and the graphical design of the status bins. And Engineer Hussam Haj and Tarek Bider were responsible for modeling two other projects in 3D. Mr. Muhammad Al-Kurdi was the brains behind the coding and putting all of this together and making it work, and he's done a great job. Like all successful projects, it starts with some detailed planning, where a logical numbering system is used to break down the projects into components, areas, elements, and details using a logical ID numbering system. Then those activities were programmed or integrated into a planning software like Primavera, and a schedule for the project is done. In our case, we have taken this Primavera output and we converted it and imported it into PM Web planning module. And for this particular project that we started with, it has about 10,500 elements. So once these 10,500 activities are in the database, imported electronically, as I mentioned, from Primavera, we have access to these activities into the daily report module, where we pull out the proper activities that we are currently working on, and then we provide the quantities and the progress, daily progress on that, together with the manpower and equipment. And this daily report is input daily, and since it's connected to the planning module, the update of the program will be done instantly and daily. And we could take this data and produce customized reports and dashboards to monitor the status of the project and the documents of the project, and basically highlight any delays or any issues that are flagged, so we could take corrective action early on in the process. Repeating the same process for all our current projects, the map view pins will show for all our projects, and then we'll be able to drill in the information by clicking the pin of each project. And a 3D presentation will be loaded up into the web browser 3D viewer. And we have used some coloring scheme. We initially put a gray model, we call the snow model, into the project, and then as the activities get started in the daily report, we flag it and we color it in orange color. And then once that activity is 90% complete or almost complete, we switch it to a realistic finish. In this case, it's a tan color, and then we move to the bridge deck where we make it orange to show the next current construction activity. So all of this is keyed and coded electronically, reading from the database and from the progress status, and having the connectivity with the 3D graphics. It will display the proper model, color, and finish, and physically you'll be able to follow your project's progress live with color coding. And you have the pins or the icons give you a wealth of data, from inspection reports to approved shop drawings to schedule status to financial status. Plus you could do it as a summary on the milestone, on the whole project, or in the area, or in the element. So with that, you'll be able to pinpoint any issues with the project early on and take corrective action. So it is a very, very powerful tool that a project manager or a client or an owner could see the progress of his project. This is a detail of the status bar. It basically shows the ID of the element that you are getting the details on. It shows the original budget and the cost to date, plus it shows the baseline. And with that, you have endless capabilities by making an icon for the finishes, for details, for reports. So with this BIM engine and capabilities and integration with the database BIM web system, the possibilities are endless, and the accessibility of the data using graphical icons makes it user-friendly and very informative and very useful. This could be any status log of drawings, transmittals, it could be shop drawings, it could be any of the engineering forms that you could customize and develop. So in conclusion, we have successfully developed an integrated system that works with our database system with a very advanced graphical interface, and it will be a tremendous useful tool for our projects. We are excited to implement this system into our current projects and work with our team to utilize the full functionality of the system and to help us improve our communications and follow-up of the progress, where we can achieve our utmost goals in our projects. Thank you for the team that worked hard to make this possible in a very short time. And without their dedication and hard work, this would not be possible. Thank you very much, and good luck.